Hi students, today I am going to take some selected problems of continuity. These problems are from NCERT class 12 exemplar problems. First problem is check the continuity of problem f of x equal to x square by 2 if x is given in closed interval. It means 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. X belongs to 0 and 1. X lies between 0 and 1 including 0 and 1. Second equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 if x lies between 1 and 2. As we know, whenever we have to do the problem of continuity, first of all, we have to prove कि left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x at given point. To prove a function to be continuous, we have to show that left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x at given point. So here point is what is given. See, in the problem already is given at x equal to 1. It means कि f of x at x equal to 1. We have to find the value. So first of all, we will take the left hand limit. Left hand limit x approaches 1. The minus sign is given on 1. It means कि x approaches to 1 slightly less than 1 because it is left hand limit. Function is given x square by 2. So limit x tends to 1, x square by 2. Now what we will do? We will change x in h. So we will put x equal to 1 minus h as x tends to 1 when h tends to 0. So now replace x to h. So become limit h tends to 0. In place of x 1 minus h, so become 1 minus h the whole square by 2. Expand it. 1 minus h square, it become 1 plus h square minus 2h upon 2, limit h tends to 0. Put the value of limit, it become 1 plus 0 minus 0 by 2, so become 1 by 2. Now we have to find out right hand limit. Right hand limit x approaches to 1. Plus is given on 1 means it is on the right side, means slightly more than 1. So now in place of x we have to take, because we are taking the right hand side. In the earlier case, in the left hand limit, it was left hand side. So left hand side we have taken slightly less than 1, so 1 minus h. In case of right hand limit, it become 1 plus h. So f of x become f of 1 plus h. What is given the equations? Second equation, see, it's given 2x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2. If 1 less than x, x less than 2. So that's why now we will substitute the value of limit. It becomes 2 times 1 plus 0 the whole square minus, just substitute the value of h. It become 2 minus 3 plus 3 by 2, it is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find out f of x at given point. Your point is at x equal to 1. So f of x at x equal to 1 we have to find out now. F of x at x equal to 1 we have to find out. So you can see first equation is given x square by 2 and your x interval is given 0 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 1. So that equation will be valid for f of x at x equal to 1. So put f of 1 equal to place of x 1 square by 2, so it become 1 by 2. So we have seen left hand limit, right hand limit and f of x at x equal to 1 all gave the value 1 by 2. Hence, function is continuous at x equal to 1. Now, the second problem is given. You check the continuity. If f of x equal to mod x minus mod of x plus 1 at x equal to minus 1. We have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to minus 1. In this equation, first of all, you have to make the interval, because in this equation they have not given it is clearly. So first of all, we have to make the what? Interval. Okay, carefully. See how I have taken it. So first of all, you know कि wherever the mod case will be there, so we have to take negative cases as well as positive cases. So first of all, I am taking कि if x less than minus 1. In that case, what will be? So you know कि x less than minus 1 means for the negative value, whenever you will remove the mod, the negative sign will become. So that's why it become minus x, because mod x become minus x. Then after that minus sign is already given there. And for the mod of x plus 1, it become minus of x plus 1. That's why I have taken it is in big bracket. If x less than minus 1. Okay. Now second case is, okay, if minus 1 less than equal to x, but x less than 0, means still x is negative, but in this case we are taking second interval कि x greater than equal to minus 1 but less than 0. So in this case, whenever we will remove the mod, so mod x become minus x, but in this case mod of x plus 1, there is already with x plus 1. So whenever even we will put the value of x minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 what becomes 0? And if less than minus 1 we will put, definitely it will be what is more than 0. So it will be positive. That's why in this case will be whenever we will remove the mod, so it will be just become positive. So minus x, and the minus sign is already there in the functions, so that minus, and we are removing the mod, so it is just in taking in the small bracket x plus 1. Third case become, after removing mod, x minus x plus 1, because we are taking x interval x greater than equal to 0. So we are taking the value of x positive. So you know कि whenever we will take the value positive, then removing the mod, it will be just plus sign will be there. Now we will simplify that given equations. So see, first of all, what? Minus x of minus of x plus 1, so minus minus become plus. So minus x plus 1 become, minus x plus x will be cancelled out. It becomes just 1 for the interval x less than minus 1. For the second case, minus x minus 1, so minus x minus 2x minus 1 become. And third case, x minus x will be cancelled out, become minus 1. So now we are getting our f of x for these three intervals. Whenever x less than minus 1, f of x equal to 1. When will be x greater than equal to minus 1 but less than 0, when still it is negative, so in that case minus 2x minus 1. And when we are taking x positive, means x greater than equal to 0, then f of x become minus 1. So now we have to find out value of f of x at x equal to minus 1, because the question was that to check the continuity of that given functions at x equal to minus 1. F of x at x equal to minus 1. So we already have seen that the interval for x equal to minus 1 was, equation was what? Minus 2x minus 1. So substitute the value of x minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So value of f of x at x equal to minus 1 is 1. Now, as you know, in case of continuity, we have to find out left hand limit and right hand limit. So your left hand limit x tends to minus 1. Just power, just above minus 1, we have to put minus sign because of it is slightly less than minus 1. Limit x tends to minus 1 minus, already we have seen key first was what is the value, we already get 1. So here case of limit, it no any differences will be, just it value will be 1. Right hand limit x tends to minus 1, plus sign is above given because it will be slightly more than minus 1. So in this case we have seen k interval satisfies the equation minus 2x minus 1. Now substitute the value of x minus 1. So here again become 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So we have seen left hand limit, right hand limit, and f of minus 1 we are getting 1. Hence f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 1. Third problem I am taking, f of x equal to 2 raised to the power x plus 2 minus 16 upon 4 raised to the power x minus 16 if x not equal to 2 is continuous at x equal to 2, f of x equal to k for x equal to 2. Then we have to find the value of k. See, this problem is definitely some tricky problem. How to find out it? See, step by step. First of all, what we will do, we will split it, the power x plus 2. As you know, okay, if any base to the power is given with the plus or minus sign, we can split it. So we can make it like just 2 power x into 2 power 2 because power is x plus 2. So 2 power x into 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 become 4 minus 16. So in this case, we know 16 is multiple of 4. So we can take out common 4. So become inside bracket 2 raised to the power x minus 4. Upon 4 raised to the power x, according to the rule of exponent, we can make it 2 raised to the power x to the power 2 minus 16. As you know, we can make it 4 square. Now next step we will do, what we can do? We use the formula of limit. Next step, denominator we can split it because we have the denominator 2x 2 to the power x power 2 minus 4 square. Just according to the formula of a square minus b square, we can make it a plus b into a minus b. Same thing we can do here. Okay, we will make it 2 to the power 2 raised to the power x plus 4 into 2 raised to the power x minus 4. Now 2 raised to the power x minus 4 from your numerator and denominator will be cancelled out. So it become 4 upon 2 raised to the power x plus 4 if x not equal to 2. And second is already given k, f of x equal to k if x equal to 2. So now we will find out f of x at x equal to 2. So it become f of 2, it is already given there k. Left hand limit x tends to 2, slightly less than 2. So we take just like a minus sign above of 2. So put now the equations, limit x tends to 2, 4 upon 2 raised to the power x plus 4. Now we will make it, the x limit we will change in h as we have done in the earlier problems. We take x equal to 2 minus h as x tends to 2. Then h tends to 0 become limit h tends to 0, 4 upon, in place of x we will put 2 minus h, so 2 raised to the power 2 minus h plus 4. Now put the limit value, so become 4 upon 2 raised to the power 2 plus 4 equal to 4 upon 8 equal to become 1 by 2. Now we will find out a right hand limit. As you know, in the right hand limit we have to write limit x tends to 2 and just a plus sign on the above of 2 because we are taking the value slightly more than 2 right side. So limit x tends to 2 plus, then I put the value of f of x, it is the same value, 4 upon 2 raised to the power x plus 4. Here similarly, as we have taken x equal to 2 minus h in the earlier case, here will become x 2 plus h. As x tends to 2 plus, then h tends to 0. So put the value, they become 4 upon 2 raised to the power 2 plus h plus 4. So 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0. It's the same thing just like in the left hand limit. So it becomes 4 upon 2 raised to the power 2 plus 4, 4 by 4 upon 8 equal to 1 by 2. So we have seen कि our left hand limit, right hand limit, the same value as f of x at 2. So f of x at 2 is what is? They have given k. So just we will substitute the value in the next step. So now as we know कि f of x is continuous at x equal to 2. So when it will be continuous, so right hand limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f of x at given point means f of 2. So right hand limit and left hand limit both we got 1 by 2. So f of 2 as given the problem is equal to k. So k become 1 by 2. Value of k 1 by 2 is your final answer. I will take some more problems of the exemplar problem which is more difficult than these 3 problems. So watch my next video also, which I will put after one day. So after watching this video, definitely watch that video. Okay? Thank you so much.